guys, welcome back to my channel, and hello if you are new here. My name is Ohima Renelle, and today I have for you a food shopping haul. Today I went to Tesco instead of Aldi just because I wanted to change things up a little bit, but I'm going to show you what I picked up and kind of explain the reasoning behind some of the stuff I got as well, in terms of like meal ideas. But yeah, let's get into what I picked up. Start it over here in the like fridgy stuff, like fridge bits. So I picked up 1 medium cheddar cheese and 1 mozzarella cheddar cheese. I'm gonna make mac and cheese at some point this week, so that's what that's for. Then I got an Actimel. I get these quite often and I didn't realize that it expires in 4 days time, so that's interesting. But yeah, I get these quite often because sometimes I do intermittent fasting and I need something to break the fast before I actually eat, so that's for that. Then I picked up some Petit Filou for my son and whole milk for my son as well. Then I got this coconut and almond milk. I've never tried this. Normally I get the coconut and my mum normally drinks the almond, but I thought I want to taste how this one was, so I got that one. Then I got cottage cheese. I got this recipe from Olivia Jarvis. I will link the video that I found the recipe from down below. It's just a chickpea pita bread, red onion, red pepper and tomato like sandwich thing. It's really nice and I like to have that. It's quite a filling lunch, but it's really low in calories, so that's what the cottage cheese is for. Then I picked up this Alpro high protein strawberry and raspberry yogurt. This is going to be like a treat for me one of the days, or a treat for me on one of the days, so that's what that's for. Then on to like the fruit and veg. I just picked up a pack of apples, 2 packs of pears, and 2 packs of oranges and a pack of bananas. Then I also got 1 pack of red onions, some baby plum tomatoes, a pack of sweet peppers. This is the 2 red and 1 yellow mix because I'm going to make fajitas one day this week as well. And then spinach, because why not? Spinach is life. Then I picked up this big bag of fusilli. I really wish they had the brown pasta in this big bag as well, because I kind of prefer brown pasta. Like, it doesn't really taste any different to white pasta, but I prefer the taste of, well, I prefer brown pasta because obviously it's better for you, but you know, I got this big pack. Then I got 2 packs of chickpeas. I absolutely love chickpeas. Like I said, I'm going to use it in the cottage cheese recipe, but I literally can have chickpeas all the time. And I also make my own hummus. So yeah, chickpeas is just convenient to have in the house. And the last thing that I picked up is just 3 small cans of baked beans. I picked up the small cans just because I won't go through the big pack if I won't go through the whole big can if I have this little one. So yeah, this was convenient. And the last thing that I got is just this 12 pack of Highland water. I normally get the Nestle Pure Life water. Is that what it's called? Pure something water, but they didn't have the small bottles, so I just got this pack instead. So that's everything I picked up in my food shopping haul, and I spent a total of £30. I definitely feel like I could have got a lot more for my money in Aldi, but I just wanted to switch things up a little bit, so I went to Tesco today. So yeah, if you'd like to see like food ideas or like food recipes or meal ideas or meal prepping, please do let me know and I will get that filmed for you. Have a blessed week, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.